This is the screen when I smartphone when I open it from the radio. Here's the screen. You can see how bad the screen look. Here's the screen, and when I dismantle the radio. So first I have to open the screen and remove this polarizer. There is paper on the front. There's two paper there, so I will remove the paper. Here the panel. Okay. I have to be very careful. Don't cut this way. Cut like this.
C'est ça? Oh.
Mechaniccar. So you have to trim the screen to remove this glue. So you have to clean all the sticker and the glue that's on it. You have to be very careful so you won't damage the screen. So this one is damaged. You can see it's damaged. You can see the skin is very white. But this is damaged, so I have to replace it. So here are the touch screen.